back to the channel. Today we will be discussing about the management and we'll be starting a little bit of the treatment plan. Okay, let's start. Firstly, a newly created fistula is likely to present if one or more of the following is applied. Okay, interference with normal healing of orifice by traumatic extraction, secondary infection of post-extraction socket, pre-existing sinusitis, when diameter of the perforation is greater than 4 mm and the depth of the socket is 5 mm. Probing of the orifice, indiscriminate packing, exploration of the socket and vigorous rinsing. This all will lead to interference in normal healing of the orifice, which will lead to a newly created fistula. Okay. Now management. What is the purpose of management of OAC or OF? First is to protect the sinus from oral and microbial flora. Second, to prevent escape of fluid and other contents across the communication. To prevent the escape of fluid across the communication. To eliminate the existing antral pathology and to establish the drainage to inferior meatus. These are the purpose of management, or the we can say aim of management. What are the aim of management? Protect the sinus, prevent the escape of fluids, eliminate existing antral pathology and establish drainage. Okay. Now coming to the management or the treatment plan depends on what? It depends on the size and location of the defect. It depends on the timing of diagnosis. If early, we'll manage according to early. If it is late, it has gone to chronic stage or it has become the fistula, we'll treat according to that. Then presence of the adjacent teeth, volume of the alveolar ridge, possible presence of acute sinusitis and condition and amount of tissue available. In all these factors, the management or the treatment plan depends. Okay. Now, duration of communication. Recent had OACA lasting longer than 48 hours than OAF, and if it is long lasting perforation, then it is chronic OAF, and treatment will according to or management will be according to that only. Now, management. Is there evidence of sinusitis? Either yes or no. अगर है sinusitis, if yes, then if it is acute or chronic. If it is acute, medication and sinus irrigation, that is antral regimen, is used for the management. But if it is chronic sinusitis, then two of the procedure is followed, either endoscopic sinus surgery or cardiac loop operation. Okay, either endoscopic sinus surgery or cardiac loop operation. Now, if there is no evidence of sinusitis and if size is less than 5 mm, अगर size less है 5 mm से, तो expect spontaneous healing within 2 weeks. Following, we can give Thoraboth antral regimen, antibiotics and all. And if not, we have to go for surgical intervention and flap. Sometimes we give prosthesis also. Okay. So this is the main treatment plan flow. ठीक है, दो चीज़ पे बेस्ड है, साइनोसाइटिस है या नहीं है. अगर है तो एक्यूट है या क्रॉनिक है, डिपेंड्स ऑन दैट. वी हैव टू ऑप्शन. एंड इफ़ नहीं है तो साइज़ 5 mm से ज़्यादा है डिफेक्ट का या कम है. अगर कम है तो वो अपने आप हील हो जाएगा, और अगर ज़्यादा है तो हमको फ्लैप लेना पड़ेगा. ओके, दिस इज़ द मैनेजमेंट. ओके, नाउ if patient has the healthy sinus and the pinhole OAC that is less than 5 mm, it will heal spontaneously. ये तो हमने पढ़ा था अभी ट्रीटमेंट प्लान में. Now, a figure of 8 suture should be made over the socket to hold the clot. suture देने से वो ठीक हो जाएगा. Nothing to do. And place pressure by a gauze pack over the socket for 1 to 2 hours. This is the treatment plan for less than 5 mm. Okay, what are the standard precaution when we are giving this treatment plan? Taking care while opening the mouth during sneezing, ज़्यादा नहीं ज़ोर से छींकना है. Avoid nose blowing, straw or cigarette smoking. Avoid situation that produce negative pressure, changes between the nasal passage and oral cavity. And if OAC is more than 5 mm, and if it is left untreated, it can lead to development of acute sinus disease like sinusitis. Okay, within 48 hours in 50% of the patient. This is the short study, I have taken it from some journal. Okay, so this is the main treatment plan if it is less than 5 mm. अब if it is more than 5 mm, फर्स्ट तो हमको ये वाला ट्रीटमेंट प्लान हो गया कि हाँ ये लेस देन है. अब आगे विल सी अबाउट द एंट्रल रेजिमेन एंड कार्डियक लुक प्रोसीजर इन नेक्स्ट क्लास. टिल देन, like, subscribe and comment. Bye.